Significant figures. I'm Dr. Islam and let's begin. Our learning intentions for today are to understand the use of significant figures in place value and to be able to round to significant figures. Significant figures. So the first significant figure is the first non-zero digit which holds the highest place value. So let's have a look at an example. Say we've got the number 23,051. So the first non-zero digit which holds our greatest place value would be the 2. So our first significant figure is going to be 2. So we've got 23,051. All the digits to the right of the first significant figure are also significant. So our first significant figure was 2. So all of the digits to the right are also significant figures. That also includes any 0 holding a place value. So in this case, this 0 is also significant. So the first significant figure is equal to 2. The second significant figure is equal to 3. The third significant figure is equal to 0. The fourth significant figure is equal to 5. And the fifth significant figure is equal to 1. Let's have a look at another example. Say we've got 0.0342. The first significant figure is the first non-zero value which holds the greatest place value. So it's not 0 because that's 0. It's not this 0. The first significant figure is therefore 3. The second significant figure, we move to the next along and it's 4. The third significant figure, we move along to the right and it is 2. So you might be asked to round to two significant figures. So if we had the number 42,546. Round this number to one significant figure. So our first significant figure is 4. So I'd round that to 40,000. So if I needed to round the number to two significant figures, then rounding to two significant figures, well, it could either be 42,000 or 43,000. Now I go to my second place and it's 2. I look at the third significant figure and it's 5 or above. It's a 5. So that means I round up. So when I round to two significant figures, it becomes 43,000. That 2 rounds up to 3 because of this 5. If I round to three significant figures, well, I've got 42, 42, and then the third significant figure is 5. The next one along is 4, so I don't round up, so it's 42,500. When we round to a number to significant figures, we look at the next place value to the right. If the next digit is greater than or equal to 5, we round up. If the next digit is less than 5, we round down. For example, round 2,456 to two significant figures. Well, first significant figure is 2, second is 4. So it could be 2400 or 2,500. Now, because the third significant figure is 5, we round up. We look at the third significant figure, it's equal to 5, so we round up. So that means it's 2,500 when you round to two significant figures. So let's fill in this table. We've got the numbers over here, and then I need to round to one significant figure here, two significant figures here, and three significant figures here. So the number, let's do 12,345. To one significant figure, that would be 10,000. To round to two significant figures, that would be 12,000. To round to three significant figures, that would be 12,300. Done. Okay, let's look at the next number along in our table, 0.00234. So rounding that to one significant figure, remember the first significant figure is the first non-zero value. So it would therefore be 0.002. To two significant figures, it would be 0.0023. To three significant figures, it would be 0.00234. Okay, let's have a look at the number 8,604.3. To one significant figure, well, our first significant figure is this 8, but looking at the second significant figure is 6, which is 5 or above, so therefore I round it up to 9,000. To two significant figures, it's 8,600 because the next number along would be 0, and that means that we don't round it up, but we keep round that 6. That 6 stays as 6, it doesn't round up to 7. And to three significant figures, it would be 8,600 still, because the 4 in the fourth significant figure is less than 5. Okay, so let's look at the number 91.56. To one significant figure, that would be 90. To two significant figures, that would be 92, because the third significant figure is a 5, so you round up. And to three significant figures, it would be 91.6, because the fourth significant figure is above 5. Well done for your work today.